Leon Russell was one of rock and roll's greats, playing with some of the top acts of the 20th century and earning 6 gold records over his 60-year career. Graham vs. Scissor-Tail is the story of one of his concert tours that went slightly awry. Russell owned a company called Scissor-Tail, which marketed his services. In 1973, Russell hired producer Bill Graham to promote his concert tour. The parties used a form contract supplied by the American Federation of Musicians, the industry labor union. The contract stated that the parties would submit all disputes to arbitration. Graham signed contracts to promote 4 concerts. Russell signed only the contracts for the first 2 in Ontario and Oakland, California. Russell's Ontario concert suffered a net loss of $63,000, and his Oakland concert resulted in a net profit of $98,000. Russell and Graham disagreed about how to handle the Ontario loss and whether it could be offset against the Oakland profits. Because they couldn't resolve this dispute, Russell refused to execute the contracts for Graham to handle the next 2 concerts and hired someone else to promote them. Graham sued Russell for breach of contract. Russell petitioned the court to compel arbitration, which it did. The arbitrator ruled for Russell. Graham appealed to the California Supreme Court, arguing that the order compelling arbitration was improper because his contract with Russell was an unenforceable contract of adhesion. Graham argued that the contract was unconscionable because it designated an arbitrator who, he insisted, would be biased in Russell's favor because Russell was a member of the Federation and Graham wasn't.